Hello, I'm Brian Ballman, Director of Engineering and New Product Development with Modern Ice. And here I'm joined by the largest and most sophisticated engineering team in the ice industry. We have Brian Block, Integration Specialist and Project Manager, Austin Bills, Project Engineer, and Jared Niehauser, Project Engineer. So why would a customer need Modern Ice engineering?
A customer would need Modern Ice to help engineer their plant because they need to understand how much ice capacity that they would want to provide. A lot of customers come to us and they're like, oh, we need X amount of tonnage of ice, and we're able to provide the equipment that supplies that. So looking at the refrigeration side of things, we need to know the tonnage of refrigerant, the different components in the high side and low side of the refrigeration system of what they'll need to get exactly what they want.
Yeah, I think with the combined knowledge and experience that all of us bring to the table, I believe a customer needs Modern Ice engineering because there's so many finite details that are missed across the board, and it happens everywhere. When you're doing a project installation, doing a design, there's so many details that it's difficult for one person when they're trying to manage their own. Maybe they have an existing facility or another side of a business that they're trying to manage at the same time. We eliminate any worry or need for them to figure out those small details to make things go smoothly, get installed more quickly. That's what I would say.
I think a customer using Modern Ice engineering is a great step up for them, because even if they've been running their plant for 10 or 15 years, they know how their equipment works, they know what they're doing there. But as Modern Ice, as our team, we're always trying to stay on the cutting edge, and with ice as food, with the refrigerants, with the new ways of conveying and palletizing, and always trying to make it better and smarter way to do things. And while they're in their everyday life of running an ice plant, they're not thinking about that stuff. They're just thinking about production. But we're thinking about how to make it quicker, faster, better. And I think that's an important quality to bring. We have new upgrades. We're always bringing new ideas to how to better convey the ice, how to better dewater it, and how to better even palletize it and make it more efficient so that the customer has less worry.
Yeah, and I think the other thing too is, at the end of the day, it is frozen water. We all understand that, but there are hundreds and hundreds of different ways to end up with a cube of ice in a bag. So, you got to understand your customer's situation, their geographical situation, their labor situation, their electrical cost situation, utility cost situation, and look at what really is the right options and equipment selection, from ice makers to conveying, to bulk storage options, to packaging options. How automated do you go? Do you palletize? And what are some of the, just looking big picture for our customers, more than just a bag of ice and how many bags of ice at the end of the day do you need, but how are you going to create it in the most economical way for your given conditions for your facility. Thank you for your time today and sitting and listening to us as an engineering team, and we do very much look forward to working on your challenging projects that are upcoming.